What was the most important things you learned in the offices so far? My nervous system controls all function of the body. That covering symptoms and health is not how I look or how I feel. So you have all this new knowledge now, and you're excited. And when you have something that's exciting and it's changing your life and that of your families, the first thing you want to do is think, well, who else can I tell? I want to tell this person. I want to tell that person. But sometimes when you go and talk to somebody about it, and especially it's going to change them, and you're certain about it, it just kind of goes over their head, or they're just like, oh, that sounds nice, and they're just not really connecting with you on that. And so the best way we could do it is, when we're responsible with the truth, we just want people to know. Their health is their responsibility. You're taking care of yours, I'm taking care of mine. Their health is their responsibility. But we have many ways in your doctor's office that you could help your friends. One way you could do it is ask your doctor, ask permission for them. Your doctor will call them. He could talk and do a consultation over the phone, talk to them. Maybe it's something that they could help with, or he could help with, yes, or she could help with. And number two, you can invite them to the workshops. Remember, when you sat through that workshop, I'm telling you, the light bulb went off. You're like, this is awesome. And so that's why you invite them to a workshop. They would love it. How about an advanced talk, another workshop that's going on that talking about nutrition or anything like that. Invite them to those things. Other areas you can invite them to, your doctor, he'll come, he'll talk at your work. Yeah, we'll go to your work. He'll talk at your church if you have a church or a social group, or at your work, or even at your home. I personally, and many doctors in the network, we know they actually will go to your home with 5 people or more, and they'll cater it and talk to them about it. So the most important thing that we're doing here is, if you understand what you're doing and understand the principle of how we're trying to correct your spine and your nervous system, and that's the vessel that, in order to get you to the optimal health you want, that's the main goal. We want you healthy, and we want you well for one reason, is so you could express your soul purpose. You have gifts, you have talents, you have desires, you have things that you love to do, to be a better parent, to be a better husband or wife or spouse, to take care of your kids better, to be a bigger producer, more productive at work, going towards the cruise ships and not the nursing homes, right? And you cannot get any of that unless you're well. And so how many people do you know that do not know this information, that you're almost hurting in your heart that they need to know this? So for all the people that you know that need to know this, please let your doctor know them. Let your doctor know their name. Hook up a time, either whether it's a talk or an on-phone consultation. And I promise you, just for getting that information to them, you will be a hero. You will play a part in that person's history and biography totally changing. So please, be a hero. Make sure you tell all your friends and family as possible, and set it up with your doctor to get the information they need.